Well guys, I'm sure you've seen on the news it has been cold and wet in Florida, so I haven't really been able to work on the boat much. I patched up this hole here, got that patched up because I sanded inside the hatch, cleaned this hatch up, and I cleaned this hatch up as well. I'm gonna end up scraping the bottom paint off on the sides here and sanding the sides, getting it ready for primer and paint, since I can't really do much with this weather. We got black here, we got blue, we got red, and then we got light blue. This is no joke. It's been like 15 minutes. That's all I got. So I switched to the belt sander. It seems to be knocking it down a lot faster. So yeah, we're gonna hit it with the belt sander and then go back over it with the orbital sander. I think it'll give us a nice finish to spray some high build or some primer and then hand sand it down. This is a good example. Look, you can see the edge here. That's all the bottom paint. Now, this thing is going to run a lot smoother on the water, considering all this roughness is going to be gone. It's going to be all nice and smooth. See how much smoother that edge is? Well guys, the weather did a complete 360 overnight. It is sunny. It is still cold, but it's sunny, so it's nice. That being said, we're gonna get this boat cleaned off with some acetone and start laying some all fair compound one last time before we spray some high build on the boat. But she is coming out good, guys. We are almost there, almost ready for paint. quick little walkthrough. Got all the last final touches of the fairing compound put on. Spots that needed to be adjusted or touched. So we're gonna let this cure, and then come tomorrow sand it down, and then this week we'll be spraying the boat down with some high build and probably fair out one more time. Also check out the website olasboatworks.com. I got the best pricing on epoxy resins online, same stuff I use on this boat and all my other jobs. So like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.